In today's video tutorial, I want to demonstrate to you guys how to verify your business on TikTok Ads Manager. Because for you to run ads on TikTok, it is important that you verify your business. So I'm not going to be wasting too much time. I'm going to show you how to do that right away. So the first step that you're going to be doing is to go to go to your browser, then type ads.tiktok.com. So once you go to ads.tiktok.com, you're going to have the same interface just like the one you're seeing right now. And the first step you're going to be doing here is just to click on where you have this get started, or you can click anywhere here. So you click on get started and you'll be taken to a new tab. So in this new tab, you see that we have two options here. We have Business Center and we have Ads Manager. But then we'll be selecting this option that says Business Center, because in our previous video, we've already created this Business Center, if you remember. Because this is a first video that we made on how to create your Ads Manager account in 2025 if you're in Nigeria here. So that was the first video we made. So that was why we're able to have these two options that you are seeing here. So after you've done that, after you've clicked on this Business Center, you're going to be brought to this interface and you come to the options, the buttons, that the menu that you have at the left hand side here. Scroll down to where you see finance, business settings and verification. So on this side that we have verification, just click on it. So this is the point that you're going to be verifying your business. So you can see, if you like, you can read through the options that we have here, but then I've already done that before. This video is just to show you guys the steps on how to verify your business. So you can see very well that the verification status is unverified. So for us to verify the business, what we're going to be doing here is to click on where we have a start verification, and if you click on it, you'll be taken to a next tab again. So let's wait while it loads, then we can continue. So you can see that you can verify your business as an individual, or the business information can be either individual or business. But then I already verified my business, because my business Grand Rich Group is already registered with CAC. So I'm going to be selecting this option that says business, and I'll be proceeding from here. So Grand Rich Group. So if the name of your own company is not already popped up for you here, all you have to do is to edit it and put your business name here. But on my own case, you see that my business name has already been popped up for me. So I'm not going to be editing the business name here. All I have to do is just to proceed, because everything is correct. So if you have a business website, you can include your business website here. But if you don't have a website yet, it's not compulsory. So that is why you can see that it is optional here. So also the industry, this is very, very important. So let me click on it. So you can see that we have alcohol, OTC. OTC means on the counter. Then dating app, financial services. So if you're running ads that has to do with any of these categories, this industry that you're seeing here, you have to get a special license, like a special approval for it. And that is why you can see that these options are listed out for you to select. Because if you run an ad and your ad has to do with any of these categories, maybe dating app, financial services like a forex brokerage and the rest of them, your ad will be banned immediately if you don't have an approval. So on our own end here, my business does not has anything to do with any of these options that you are seeing here, this alcohol, OTC, dating app and the rest of them. So I'm going to be selecting the option that says not applicable. But on your end, if your business has to do with any of these options, like I said, please make sure to select the option, and also make sure to have the right approval, like the right license, before you can proceed with your business verification. So you can see the verification document. So you still have to provide your document, because without your document, the verification will not be successful and it will not be approved. So for you not to face this kind of problem, make sure that you have your business registered with CAC. Then you provide the CAC document that is issued to you. So once you upload your CAC document here, it's going to take maybe 24 to 48 hours, and it's going to be approved, and before you know, you can start running TikTok ad. So it is so simple like that. So you see, we have look at this drop down menu. So we have different options here. We have certificates of registration or incorporation, business license, articles of association. So I will be selecting this option because this is the one I have, which is a certificate of registration or incorporation. So I'm going to click on it. Then the next thing is to upload the document that is given to me. So I'm going to click on upload here. So this is my business document. I'm going to click on it here. You see Grand Rich Group certificate. So I'm going to click on it, click on open here. I have uploaded it. So the next step is I have to get my certificate number. So for me to get my certificate number, all I have to do is to come here, click on download. I'm going to click here to open the this is my certificate number. So it is blah blah. So I'm just going to copy it here, then come here. I'm going to paste my certificate number here. So once I paste it here, you can provide additional document blah blah. So this is not required. So since this is not required, all I have to do is to make sure that everything here is filled correctly. So once everything here is done correctly, I can just click on this submit button, and in 24 to 48 hours, like I said, it's going to be approved, and my business manager will be approved and everything, and I'll have that option to start running ads without facing any challenges. So this is all you have to know about business verification on TikTok ads manager. So it is so simple. So once you follow these steps that I just explained, or if you follow all these steps, the step-by-step guide like I demonstrated to you guys, I tell you that your business account will be verified and you start running ad on TikTok. So if you gain value from this video, the only favor you're going to do me is to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you always get notified anytime I upload new video on this channel. So thank you and have a lovely day.